A man is throwing empty boxes and useless items in mid a busy road, creating environmental obstacles. A fast-moving car gets into an accident due to sudden braking caused by empty boxes and trash scattered in the middle of the road. All the traffic jams and honking horns created a chaotic and overwhelming situation. Frustrated drivers lean out of their windows, shouting, "Please start the A breathtaking scene unfolds on the beach with joyful energy, is a symphony of happiness, love, and a perfect blend of relaxation and excitement.
You know, I could watch sunsets every day, and still never find anything as beautiful as you.
You always make me feel so special.
Despite the lively energy of people enjoying the beach, the presence of trash casts a shadow over the discarded plastic bottles, food wrappers, and stray cans are scattered. Please start the fire has been ignited on a mobile phone tower due to faulty wiring. In 6 seconds, blast happen results into breakage of tower upper part. A housewife engaged in a thorough house cleaning process using a vacuum cleaner.
Oh no, the trash bin is already full.
Hi, this is Sarah from Maple Street. My trash can is completely full, and I need it emptied as soon as possible.
No problem, MRS, Sarah. We'll be there shortly to take care of it for you.
Please start the...
Hurry up, we have no time, just jump over the wall.
The going has been good, Tommy, but you need to raise the bar even higher. Each one of you has much more potential than you think. Fire up your game, pump up your confidence, unleash your skills even more.
Thank you, Mr. Jones. I truly appreciate your help.